Today on this video of evolution about the PhD course, we are going to learn what is evolution, what is heredity, what is transfer of characteristics and what are the evidences of evolution, who laid the foundation of evolution and who were the actual pioneer of evolution. Now whenever we talk about the pioneer of genetics, we all know that there's only one person to give credit and it is John Mendel. We all know him. He is the pioneer of modern genetics, but his study took a long time to overview and to comprehend because it was very complex. He taught us the hereditary triad that were the recipient and the accessory and the recipient thing. Now those are very different things but are very considerable. But whenever we are talking about our evolution, then the two names that come in front about evolution are Darwin and Lamarck. These are the two persons who laid the foundation of evolution, and if their theory combined, this might be the ultimate evolution. What are their theories? The first, which is Darwin, his theory was the origin of species, in which he taught about the theory of natural selection. And on the other hand, Lamarck, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, he taught us the theory of use and disuse of organ, and in this theory the reason for evolution was stated to be the activeness and laziness of the organism. Now these two theories combined create the ultimate reality of evolution according to me, because if you study separately Darwin's and Lamarck theory, there will be some point that will be not considered, because natural selection is not the only thing that is occurring for evolution, and use and disuse is not the only thing, because in the theory of Lamarck he stated that the acquired character, the character that an organism acquires in its lifespan, are transferred to the next generation, like the hands, the shoulders of a hammersmith. But in reality those characters are not transferred. It is seen, if a leg of a individual or a cow or an animal are not present, they are demarcated, then those legs would be present in the next generation. So what does this mean? It means these are not transfer of character, but the acquired character are not transferred, but inherited characters are transferred. What does this mean? The inherited character is within the gene. The changes in the genes will be transferred, but the changes in the body, the acquired, will not be changed. And this is the ultimate theory. But combining it, the Darwin's theory of natural selection posts a lot. He taught us that the survival of the fittest, in which every animal compete with each other in a life-threatening manner to survive on this planet, and they do this process by making themselves very strong and making themselves sustain the environment every single time. It was the nature's thing. Whenever the evolution started in the ocean billions and billions years ago, then there were nothing but many compounds such as organic and inorganic. Those compounds may have fused and may have formed a protein or something else, but it took a very time, because those proteins are very complex. Whenever we talk about protein with the help of central dogma, then it is other thing, but formation of protein, which is nucleic acid, has taken a billion of years to form. But when that occurred, then more evolution occurred. There may have been formation of life, because due to the presence of substances in the ocean, life may have formed, and that life must have various variation, and those variation may have very type, and some would have sustained the development and some would have perished because of not being able to sustain themselves in that surrounding. This is natural selection, and these all theory, if combined, create the ultimate theory of evolution. This is a theory you need to know and understand. Thank you.